All right, we are moving on to annual leave loading and bonuses. It's a really interesting story as to why Australian gives extra pay for people when they have holidays, but it is a very Australian thing and it's kind of flying. Um, so in Australia, we get 17.5% or thereabouts for your holidays. Normally, it's for 4 weeks worth of holidays. And you normally get paid at the start of your annual holidays. As a teacher, we normally get paid just sort of our last pay of the year. We just automatically get it. So the way you work it out for the holiday learning is 17.5 times your normal pay times the amount of weeks that you're having the leave for. So let's have a look at this one. What we're going to do is we've got Thomas working a 40-hour week for $18.50 an hour, and he gets 17.5% of 4 weeks normal pay. So what's his pay for the holiday? So it's going to be 7.5% more than what he would normally get. So let's work out what he would normally get first. So let's go 40 times 18.50. Will give him, sorry, I'm bringing up my calculator. I don't think you guys can see it, but 40 times 18.50 will give us $740 per week. So that's what he gets. And we're doing it for 4 weeks. So we've got 740 times 4 will give him $2,960. So that's how much he's going to get for the 4 weeks holiday. Okay, so that's his normal pay. So what we've got to do now is we've got to add on 17.5%. So there's a couple of ways we can do this. The easiest way, well, let's just do it the way, because sometimes you're going to get questions saying how much is his leave loading. Sometimes it'll be how much is his pay. So this one says how much is for his pay, but we're going to assume that it might ask for the leave loading at times. So let's do it that way. So $2,960 is the normal pay he would get for that 4 weeks. So we're going to go 17.5%. So I'll call this leave loading. 17.5% times 2960. So you would put that into your calculator. I'll do it on my calculator. If you can see it, great. I'm not sure that you can. We'll soon find out. But I'm using 17.5% times 2960, and I'm putting exactly that into the calculator, and it will give me a really messy dollar sign, $518. So his leave loading is $518. So now we'll go total pay for holiday is $29.60 plus that $518, which will give us a grand total of $3,478 for his holiday. So yeah, it's a wonderful thing. You go on holidays and they give you more money. All right, if you wanted to do it in one go, so that way we've done it in 2 goes. If you wanted to do it, you could actually go 117.5% times 2960. Now the reason we can do that is because we want his holiday pay, which is the 2960, which is 100% of his normal pay, and then we want 17.5%. So I'm just adding those two together, doing it as one. If you chuck that into a calculator, you would get $3,478. So there's 2 ways of doing it. The reason we did it the first way in 2 steps is because there will be some questions that ask for the leave loading separate to the total pay. So sometimes it's better to do it in that order. Done.